Ahí, sal, 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 sal. ¡Corre! Vale, no ha pasado nada. Ay, esta vida.
See, baby, I got everything.
Quitar esto, por favor.
Wait up! Mr. C to the J. See that pretty young thing in my car? Drop her off at the hotel downtown. Use my car phone and give me a ring-a-ding when you're done. And watch the rims, player. Treat that baby like a Pope mobile.
What a strong pecho. Ever had half and half with a sucia like me?
Yeah, go on.
I'll do things your ruca won't.
I'm listening, honest.
I'm no slut, but I need the feria.
Uh-huh. Real interesting.
Whatever, puto.
What you want, fool? Hey, Jizzy, it's Carl. I just dropped off your girl.
Sure. Got a little errand for you to run before you deal with that problem I was just talking about. Some young buck thinks he's a player, been trying to peel my hoes over in Hashberry. Now, one of my girls over there just eyeballed the punk. I want you to get your ass over there and ice that pretender.
No perdí, ¿no?
What you been drinking?
Here comes my player, now you in real trouble.
I was pimpetry in motion till you showed up. Hey, it's CJ. Just to let you know, you don't have to worry about no competition in Hashberry.
Worried? Did I say I was worried? No, I did not. Now to the real deal. Some of my girls in the Foster Valley been getting knuckled over. I want you to get your ass up there and nose around. Find out what's going on.
Y mira el mapa si no me pierdo. Espérate.
We're at the end of the alphabet, people. X. That's...
Fuck y'all!
Temazo.
Mr. Jizzy, it's CJ.
You's a bad luck charm, flunky. That girl you dropped off downtown wants out of the game. Her sugar daddy wants to take her off the streets. Nobody turns my hoe. You get your ass back to the hotel and you make an example out of all
Está
of them.
jodido, tío.
Oh, what you doing, my wheel?
Nuclear flash. Joder.
Fool, you hit me!
Un poquito más.
Oh, man, thanks for that.
Hay que seguirlos, muy nerviosos.
The devil comes to
mira,
claim his
no,
own.
no, no,
Godspeed,
no,
driver, Godspeed. We need more than just the Lord's benefaction. Don't worry, girl. The Lord's army will come to our aid.
Mierda.
Now just keep on
Look
dressing.
where you going.
That's right. Put your hand there.
Es que hoy me...
He comes.
Es que no se mueve, tío.
Faster, driver! Faster!
Mierda.
One of the cool things about these bands, I don't think any of them are on a major label. You can't even buy their records. You can only hear them here on this station. God, you're so alternative.
Eso, tío.
Targeting an entire generation of apathetic, despondent, trust fund babies.
Oh, you think you
Whoa!
can
What the? Girl!
We're not going to stop. Once they're in a roll, I'm talking specifically about that bitch at the record store.
Por favor.
Did you buy your license?
Watch out!
Movete, coño, movete. Dios. Voy por ti, cabrón. No debería hacer eso. No debería hacer eso. Madre, pero es que yo también soy medio bobo. Soy medio bobo. ¿Verdad?
Oh! Careful, the little bishop! Oh!
Ahí de verdad. ¡Ojo, ojo! Vale, se va a la verga. Se va a la verga.
Now,
Vale, vale. Están doni. Me voy. Están doni.
everything's been taken care of, Mr. Jizzy.
Oh, CJ, use the player's right hand, baby. Oh, and by the way, that car's just come up over on the APB. Dump it, keep it, whatever. Just keep it away from me, my hoes, and my club.
Oh, for sure, you got that, man.
Let's go. Policía.